Hi, my name is Tremper Longman. I'm distinguished scholar and professor emeritus of biblical studies at Westmont College, though I live in Alexandria, Virginia. And I'm here to invite you to join me in a study of the fascinating book of Daniel. Uh, Daniel's a book that's composed of 12 chapters, half of which are stories about Daniel in a foreign court, and half of which are four very stirring and, to us, at least initially, bizarre apocalyptic visions. But even though you have this diversity of six stories and four apocalyptic visions, they all have the same major theme, which is so important for the ancient audience that first read Daniel, but also for us today, and actually every generation since the time of Daniel. All six stories and all four visions tell us that in spite of the evil that's out there, in spite of the trouble in our world, God is in control and he will have the final victory. And we have to be honest that as we look at our world, it's full of trouble, personal trouble, but also, public trouble. And sometimes that discourages us or frightens us. But the book of Daniel is there to give us hope for the future and confidence to live in the present, and encourages us to be persistent in our faith. So I really encourage you to join me as we walk carefully through this interesting book.